So have you ever planned something that didn't turn out the way you really wanted? Are you disappointed with people because they don't do what they actually say? Do you expect from other people to react or reply to all your posts that you put all over the social media? Some people say if you have no expectations, that means you will have no disappointments. No expectations, no disappointment. Is it true? We're gonna find out in this video. So before starting this video, I just request you to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Do follow me all over the social media. Here's my Instagram handle. Do follow me and watch this video till the end because it will help you out in lowering your expectations and bring your life towards prosperity. See, disappointment is caused when you have an expectation of some situation or some people, and that situation or that people never satisfied your expectation. So in that case, you always feel let down. You are disappointed. Whenever you have some sort of expectations, whether it is small or big, if it doesn't turn out the way you wanted, you will be disappointed no matter what. Life is never linear. You can plan your life with precise details that you want to do something in the coming 3 months, in the coming 6 months, or probably in the next year. We always say life is unpredictable. We can never predict our future. So there are millions of people out there who have planned their 2020. They wanted to start their entrepreneur journey. They wanted to shift their jobs. They wanted to get married. They wanted to go for a world tour. And look what happened. Coronavirus ruined everything. We were stuck in our homes for more than 3 months. And still we are not living our life the way we should. That's life, right? Like I've said, we cannot predict what's going to happen in our life. So I'm going to talk about few of the pointers that will help you out and lower your expectations so that you can have a positive life, that you don't feel disappointed in your life, so that you can be happy as you live your life towards a journey of prosperity. So let's get started. Number 1, become aware of your expectations. Most of us don't even recognize our expectations because expectations come in the terms of dreams, goal, achievement, vision, beliefs, and many other things. Every time when we think that this should happen in my life, we started to expect things. We started to expect things from this life. And when that expectations get ruined, we always feel disappointed. So the number 1 rule, the thumb rule is we should eliminate this word should from our life. It's hard. Yes, it's gonna be hard, but we can do it. That he should be on time, he should be thanking me for all the things that I have done. My roommate should keep the volume down. And many other examples. Because whenever we use this word should, it has a straight meaning towards the expectation that the person, that the scenario, the situation should be doing something that I really wanted from, and hence we get disappointed. So it's our job to eliminate this word should. Number 2, enjoy the moment. When we have expectations, we are thinking about the future. We are thinking about the past because something happened in the past that will make you think about a certain scenario, certain people, and in the future, you have expectation from them. But unfortunately, in that case, we are not living in the moment, in this present moment right here, right now. If you have a goal which you want to achieve in the coming 6 months, whatever the things that you are doing right now in this precise moment will have a huge impact in the coming 6 months. So if you are dwelling upon the fact that in the coming 6 months I will be doing this and that thing, and I'm procrastinating about that thought only, in that case I'm not doing anything in this precise moment right now. So you need to start living in this present moment. Celebrate your small victories. If you want to achieve something in the coming year, whatever that you have to do right now is very important. So always set goals on a daily basis that will help you in becoming a better person than yesterday. And when you achieve that goal, today's goal, then it's time to celebrate. It's time to enjoy the moment right here, right now. So always have this kind of mindset that don't think about the past because it's already gone. Don't think about the future because we cannot predict the future. We have to think about today, right here, right now. Enjoy the moment. Celebrate small victories. Do it. Number 3, have no expectations of others. See, there's one thumb rule if you want to be happy, if you want to live your life, with prosperity and happiness is to don't have any expectation from others. For any situation, for any scenario, even in the case of your parents as well as your friends. Yes, it's very hard to absorb right now, but if you want to live a happy life, then you don't have to have any expectations of others. Because whenever we're going to expect anything, especially from our loved ones, our happiness will ruin. Because we expect the most from our loved ones, from our parents, from our siblings, from our best friends, right? As we have no control in the outcome, as we have no control of others' actions, so why others' actions affect you? Of course, it's very nice if someone appreciates your work, if someone says thank you, if someone says I love you. I understand. That's few of the beautiful words that truly make us happy. But when we expect all these things again and again, we will be disappointed, because there will be a time when you won't hear all these words. There might be a time when you feel like that I need that person and that person is not available. You will be disappointed. So it's very important to lower your expectations and day by day become a better person, because there might be a time when the person that says I love you can also say a very harsh words, and in that precise moment you will be disappointed, you will be let down. But if you have no expectation from a scenario, from a person, then those words won't able to harm you. So always try to don't have any expectations from others. Number 4, don't compare yourself with others. We live in a social media world where we are posting every second of our life. We are going to some fancy restaurant. We are going to some other country and we are posting. So what's happening then? We are comparing our life to others. If someone of your age has a car, in that precise moment you have a desperation to buy your own car. You want to have your own car. If someone retires at the age of 45, you want to do the same. That's expectations, because you are comparing your life to others, because you have no idea what they have gone through. You are just only seeing the big picture. That's not a good thing. So it's very important to not compare your life with others, because you have no idea what they have gone through. Some people graduate at the age of 21, they get the job at the age of 23, while others graduate at the age of 27 and straight away get the job. That 23-year-old guy might get fired in the coming few years. Everybody is living in his or her time period. Everybody has their own struggle. A beggar and a billionaire both are struggling in his or her life. And if you are comparing with other people, then you're gonna ruin your life with disappointments. So make this a thumb rule in your life that you don't need to compare with anybody. There's only one competition, and that is you. It's your job to be a better person than yesterday. It's your job that you should push yourself every day towards becoming a better person than yesterday. So stop comparing your life with others. Last but not the least, the 5th point is plan to fail. Yes, you heard it right. You need to plan your life towards failure, because in that case, you don't have any expectations, right? Just make sure that you are hustling every day of your life, but with the mentality that you don't have any fixated towards an outcome. It's our job to push our limits towards a certain outcome, but that outcome is not in our control. But if you have this kind of mindset that I don't expect anything, I really don't care if I fail because I believe in myself, this kind of mindset will make you a successful person in your life. Believe me. So always be open to change and new possibilities in your life, and have this mindset that I am happy if I fail, because a failure will give you a lot of experience that will help you out in the coming future. Understand? It's not about having a perfect plan, because when you say that I have a perfect plan for my life, life will give you a roadblock, and that will make you disappointed. And when you have this kind of mindset that I don't have any expectations, I am ready to fail in my life, step by step, you will become a better person than before, and you will be successful. So always have this kind of mindset that I'm open to change and I'm ready to fail. So I hope that you understand all these 5 pointers, and I hope after watching this video, you will have a lower expectation, and in the coming time, if you practice all these steps, you will have no expectations. So I hope that you like this video. If you do, then do give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Do share it with your family and friends. This is Vaibhav Nigam. I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.